Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up one of the most recent and incredible Hot Wheels car culture sets to date, and it's called Silhouettes. This set features not only one but two all-new castings that are proven to be popular with collectors, so let's open up these Silhouettes and take a closer look. Number 1 out of 5 from Silhouettes is the 76 Chevy Monza. This Chevy is a metallic copper brown color with red, orange, and yellow striping, Monza on the roof, exhaust pipes on the side, and racing number 76. Number 2 in Silhouettes is the 76 Greenwood Corvette. This car is a light blue color with plastic headlights, Mancuso Chevrolet logos on the hood and rear, and a racing number 76 along the side. Number 3 out of 5 from Silhouettes is the 78 Porsche 935/78. This white race car features logos from PPG Industries, Goodyear, and Bill Stein, and sits on a set of blue Real Riders Aero wheels. Number 4 of 5 in Silhouettes is the all-new RWB Porsche 930. This one-of-a-kind car features a matte black color, wide-body kit, 6-spoke Real Riders wheels, and a huge rear spoiler. Number 5 out of 5 from Silhouettes is the Nissan Skyline Silhouette. This all-new casting has a red body with Nissan logos on the front and rear, white 6-spoke Real Riders wheels, and racing number 25 on the side. So there we have all 5 Hot Wheels Premium Silhouettes out of the box, and they look incredible. I really enjoyed the new RWB Porsche 930 and the 78 Porsche 935, but you can't go wrong with any car in this series. If you would like to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.